Come on, Leo. Come on, buddy. Gotta go potty? Come on. Boy! The door is unlocked! Come on! Yo! Why? He's such a good puppy. He's such a good puppy. Look at that face! He's so cute. He's such a good dog. Go bye. Wanna go bye-bye? Leo, wanna go bye-bye? Wanna go bye-bye? Wanna go outside? Come on, yo. Let's go outside. Hey, you get ice cream today. You get free ice cream down at Kelly's today. Kelly's Dairy Bar, you know, where the putt-putt and the storage and the driving range and the dairy products are, and lunch and all that. You get free ice cream on Tuesdays. He's so soft. Oh. Smile. Meano. Hello? Yodi, you upset now that I gotta go to work? Yeah. I gotta go help my grandpa, my uncle, and one of my uncle's renters of his rental house with a roof. Not gonna be fun. Wish me luck.